and welcome to Love and Enjoy Your Life's Journey with Josie as your host. Today's program is going to be a tribute to that wonderful and great lady, Maya Angelou. And this is what I wrote regarding her. Maya Angelou is a person who walked in the steps God laid out for her. She followed the path put before her by God. She looked within her heart and loved who God made her to be. That love enabled her to teach and inspire others to love who they are, to connect with their purpose, and to love who God has made them to be. Maya Angelou followed her instincts and was fruitful. She's with God now, and the people she touched will eat her fruits from the tree for many years through her many writings and poems. We love you, Maya Angelou. Rest in peace. We thank God for this great lady who lived with us for many, many years. She followed who God laid out for her to be. She followed her instincts, and she was fruitful. And this is what she tried to teach us through all her many writings, through all her many poems, through all that she has done. She inspired the community. She inspired the country and the world. She inspired all people of all races, people of all colors. She taught us to love who you are. She taught us not to let anyone else influence you and tell you who you are. You need to know who you are. So if anyone say negative things about you, if they come to you with negativity, you will not take that into your mind and let that be, and let others determine who you are. You will know who you are as an individual. And when you know who you are, you will love yourself. You will love who God has made you to be. And as I always say, love yourself. Look in the mirror and see who you are, and love who you see. Maya Angelou, once again, we love you. And we know you are with God, resting in peace. And this is my show for today, and I hope that you have received something in your heart, in your spirit, and in your mind that's going to take you throughout the day, next week, next month, and for many years to come. You have a God-blessed day. Thank you.